2026 Toyota Motorhome is generating buzz across the RV and automotive worlds, and for good reason. Combining Toyota's reputation for reliability with modern motorhome innovation, the 2026 model is built to attract both seasoned travelers and new adventurers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile lifestyle solution, offering comfort, efficiency, and advanced features that make long road trips or full-time van life more accessible and enjoyable than ever before. Toyota has taken a bold step forward with this new model by blending the practicality of a traditional camper van with futuristic design. Built on the reliable Toyota Tacoma or Tundra chassis, depending on trim, the motorhome promises a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine. Expect options for a hybrid powertrain, which is a major upgrade for environmentally conscious travelers looking to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing performance. The 2026 version includes a re-engineered suspension system that offers a smoother ride even on rugged off-road terrains, making it a solid choice for those looking to take their adventures beyond the pavement. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2026 Toyota Motorhome is its smart use of space. The compact exterior hides a surprisingly spacious and versatile interior. Designers have embraced modular, convertible furniture and smart storage solutions to maximize every square inch. You'll find a full kitchenette with an induction cooktop, energy-efficient fridge, and even a compact convection oven. The bathroom includes a wet bath with eco-friendly water systems and a composting toilet in higher trims, making off-grid living far more sustainable. The sleeping arrangements are flexible, with the main bed transforming from a cozy couch setup to a full-size mattress using a smooth sliding mechanism. Some models also include a pop-up roof or a lofted sleeping area, perfect for families or groups. Ambient lighting and panoramic windows make the interior feel airy and open, while high-grade insulation ensures the cabin remains comfortable in both hot and cold climates. Technology is a standout feature in the 2026 Toyota Motorhome. It's equipped with Toyota's latest infotainment system, featuring a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice assistant integration, and over-the-air software updates. The onboard Wi-Fi system ensures reliable internet connectivity wherever your travels take you. For digital nomads, this makes working remotely a breeze, while streaming entertainment is available during downtime. The motorhome also includes advanced driver assist features. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 is standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and automatic emergency braking. An optional autonomous parking feature is a game-changer for those tight campground spots. All of this tech not only improves safety but adds peace of mind, especially for those new to RV driving. Power management is another area where the 2026 Toyota Motorhome shines. It comes equipped with a robust solar panel setup paired with a lithium battery bank. The energy system is smart controlled to prioritize essential appliances, and optional upgrades allow for full off-grid capabilities, including inverters and secondary alternators. Whether you're staying in a national park or boondocking in the wilderness, the power systems are designed to support extended stays without hookups. Customization is a major selling point. Toyota offers various floor plans and trim packages, from minimalist solo traveler setups to family-oriented layouts. Interior finishes include sustainable materials like bamboo countertops and recycled fabric upholstery, giving buyers an eco-friendly touch. Buyers can also choose exterior graphics, wheel upgrades, and even integrated bike racks or kayak mounts. In summary, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome is a significant leap forward in the world of compact recreational vehicles. It brings together Toyota's long-standing strengths in engineering with thoughtful design and modern convenience. Whether you're a weekend warrior, full-time traveler, or first-time buyer, this motorhome offers a compelling mix of comfort, capability, and sustainability. It's not just a vehicle for the road, it's a home for the journey.